Welcome back to our channel, Thought of the Day. Thought of the Day. Paper flies because of luck, but kite with its capacity, develop a positive capacity to bless yourself with good luck. Thought of the Day.
कागज अपनी किस्मत से उड़ता है, लेकिन पतंग अपनी काबिलियत से अच्छी किस्मत के लिए अच्छी काबिलियत विकसित कीजिए।
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for daily notification.